Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add photos or images to Google Docs. So here I've already opened the Google Docs and let's just open the document where you want to add the image. For example, I'm going to just open the document in here. So if you want to add image to your document, you can just simply go to the insert menu at the top and find image options, and here there are a few options that you can choose. You can upload image from your computer, you can directly search the web or upload it from Google Drive or Google Photos, or you can also take a photo directly or by URL or link. So in this case, I'm going to just upload from computer. You can just click on that options and then choose the image that you want to add, for example this one, and then you can just click on open, and just like that the image will be added to your document. If you want to edit the image, you can just click on it, and then here you can go to the image options. You can size and rotate in here. You can also do text wrapping or adjust the position of the image and recolor or adjust the color of the image if needed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.